Looking for the best video cameras for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 video cameras that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a video cameras that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended video cameras. Number 1 on the list is AKASO EK7000, on the off chance that for no other explanation other than offering 4K shooting capacities at a sensible value, the AKASO EK7000 is a really astounding activity camera. It can accomplish this local resolution at no higher than 25 frames per second, FPS, all things considered. Maybe more incredibly, it can shoot 2.7K film, still an amazing resolution, at a full 30 frames per second. At twofold the cost, it would, in any case, be a focused worth. For still photographs, a 16MP camera lets you take beautiful mirror selfies, even in low-light situations. Worked in picture adjustment, however electronically controlled instead of the more versatile optical picture adjustment. Is in full power too. Outwardly, the camera case is waterproof at up to 131 feet, settling on it a decision for submerged games photography and film. A huge amount of frill is incorporated into the crate, as well, so you'll have the option to handle pretty much any activity sports shoot you can envision. There's even a Wi-Fi function fabricated right in, giving you the choice to enlist the camera remotely so as to see the recording you're at the present taping on your telephone. Even better, you can share the substance you've recorded on the spot, no compelling reason to scramble for the PC or link expected to finish an improvisational information move. Second on the list is AKASO Brave 4 4K 20MP Wi-Fi, arguably one of the best action cameras available. AKASO's Brave 4 offers many features for less than $100. Its 20MP Sony sensor lets you record crisp 4K footage at 24 frames per second and Full HD videos at 60 frames per second. Not only that, you can shoot 20MP still images with up to 5x zoom as well. The camera includes adjustable viewing angles, example, 70 degrees, 140 degrees, and its built-in smart gyroscope results in super smooth videos with enhanced stabilization. A 2-inch IPS LCD screen makes it easy to preview/compose photos and videos, and a smaller display on the front can show important information such as battery level and recording time. AKASO Brave 4 comes with a transparent case that makes it waterproof up to 30 meters, 100 feet. And there's even a dedicated diving mode for filming all your underwater adventures. For connectivity and I/O, there's Wi-Fi and HDMI included in the mix. In addition to other accessories, the camera's bundled with 2 batteries, each having a capacity of 1050 mAh, that provide a total recording time of up to 180 minutes. Number 3 on the list is GoPro Hero 9 Black. The GoPro Hero 9 Black introduced several enhancements to the Hero lineup, including a new front-facing 1.4-inch color display that allows users to frame shots using its Live View feature, making the Hero 9 a great option for vloggers. In addition to the upgraded display, the Hero 9 Black also features a new 23.6MP image sensor capable of shooting video up to 5K at 30 frames per second, a notable step up from its predecessor, which maxes out at 4K 60. The Hero 9 can also shoot 4K 60. Supporting the Hero 9 Black's new sensor and 5K video capability is Hypersmooth version 3.0, which adds gimbal-like stabilization to all your video, regardless of resolution or frame rate. Top those features off with a powerful new battery that promises 30% more life than its predecessor, and you're looking at an action cam that lasts longer, shoots better footage, and features a handy front display that's perfect for framing your next shot or live stream. Now, although the GoPro Hero 9 Black isn't as powerful as the current flagship model, the Hero 10 Black, it is significantly less expensive. On top of that, the Hero 10 Black's powerful hardware is likely overkill for conventional vlogging, making the Hero 9 Black the best GoPro for vloggers. Number 4 on the list is Kimire Video Camera Camcorder. On the second position on this listicle, we've placed the video camera option from Kimire, which is yet another affordable and quite a popular brand in the market. In case you are on a budget, this camera is quite a good pick as it can shoot videos in full HD quality, at 15 fps, and in HD 720p resolution at 30 fps. On top of it, this video camera even supports additional helpful features like anti-shake, face capture, beauty function, self-timer and webcam function, pause function, etc. This camera has a 24MP sensor that performs quite well, and it even has a 3.0 inches LCD screen that can rotate up to 270-degree rotation, so you can even use this video camera for photography. And for making vlogs as well. Talking about its battery life, the package includes two NP-FV5 batteries that can provide you with up to 3 hours of battery backup in total. In terms of storage space, you can insert SD cards up to 128 GB in this video camera, which is quite good. Number 5 on the list is AKASO EK7000 Pro. If you want a quality camera without breaking the bank, the reasonably priced AKASO EK7000 Pro 4K camera may fit you. You'll be hard-pressed to find a video camera with 4K shooting capabilities for just $50. The action camera can achieve a native resolution at no higher than 25 frames per second. Even better, the EK7000 can shoot 2.7K footage at 30 frames per second. For still photos, a 16MP camera captures picturesque mirror selfies even in low-light settings. Though the video camera's built-in image stabilization is electronically powered instead of the more adaptive optical image stabilization, the technology is just as functional. AKASO has designed a camera chassis that is waterproof up to 131 feet so that you can seize underwater sports photography or film coral reef life. Whether underwater, on land or airbound, you can tackle almost any action shot as the EK700 is well equipped with accessories. The video camera's built-in Wi-Fi functionality provides the option to commandeer the camera remotely. Accordingly, you can view the footage currently being filmed on your phone. You can also immediately share the content you've recorded. With this Wi-Fi feature, there's no need for a laptop or special cable to complete an improvisational data transfer. Just now is a list of 5 best video cameras that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.